से क्लियर हो गया था।
So basically, I'm starting from the same. So first we'll complete the practical, then I will continue from theory. Okay. So just a second. Okay, is this viewable, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yesterday, basically, we were doing task number 22. इसको मैं दोबारा complete करूँगा because at the end it could not be safe. So I will complete. अच्छा, यहाँ पे basically लिखा हुआ है using fields from all table produce a tabular report. तो कल भी मैंने आपको बताया था कि basically before creating a report you need to create a query. ठीक है? So you can see it again. Okay. So I will create a query again. Go to database. Close these tables. Okay. Go to create and then go to create query design. From here, place table. Double click. Okay. Close this window. Should place like this one. So you have to place fields according to given paper. First, family name. Family name will come from here. Second, gender and teacher name. Gender will come here. Where is gender and teacher name from here. Then you have to put science, math. Science will be here, and double click on each field. Okay, math. Follow the sequence given on paper. Computer science, this one, and I think design technology, this one. Then you have to basically insert house name and class code. House name will come here from here. Double click, and class code will come from here. You can see. Okay. These fields have been inserted. Now you can see, you should see how many records already are there. You see this one. So you can see 176 records. Rehan, is this clear? Shumail? Till now it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये देख लें कि 176 records are there before any criteria. ठीक है? We will go to design view. Now we have to put criteria one by one. The first criteria is F. Okay, female. Only female record should be shown under the gender. Under gender column here, you can write F, just write, and then click on run to view the record. So records have been filtered. Now you can see 84 records will be shown after putting a female criteria. Okay, I will move to again design view. Then I will see another criteria 80 or more. Okay, on science column. Using science column, this column greater than equal 80. So this criteria must be implemented. You must check one by one. आप एक एक दफा करके check करेंगे. First put the criteria, then check. Click on run command. Now you can see 49 records are there. This activity we have already done yesterday, but I could not save theory, so I'm doing it again. Then I'll show you how to create a report. Design technology. Now you have to put the class code contains 6. Acha. You can see record. I'm showing you record. This is class code. Some is coming 6T, 6L, 6L, 5W, okay, 6B. So it says only record should be shown which has value of 6. Okay. So under the class code, you have to use.
Sir.
Yes.
Sir, will you uploading this recording lesson?
Yes, I have uploaded. मैंने कल वाली अपलोड कर दी है, आज वाली भी अपलोड कर दूँ, ठीक है?
ठीक है, ठीक.
So you can revise.
Okay.
ग्रुप में लिंक भेजा है. I have sent a look link on group. If you are in a group, you can.
ठीक है.
Okay.
Yes sir. ठीक है.
I was telling that you have to show record. If I use only 6, it will not show any record. Okay, there is no record because we have to use wildcard with 6. Okay, यहाँ पे हम ये देखें, शिफ्ट प्रेस करें और 8 की पे प्रेस करेंगे तो वाइल्ड कार्ड स्टैरिक आ जाएगा. कल भी मैंने आपको दिखाया था ऑन वर्ड. वेट अ सेकंड, मैं वर्ड पे आपको इसको प्लेस करके दिखाता हूँ. आपने बेसिकली 6 के साथ वाइल्ड कार्ड को यूज करना. ठीक है, यूजिंग 6, दिस 6 or is it viewable, and then wildcard. Why we use wildcard? Basically, wildcard ensure that it will display all letter after 6. Okay, if we use 6, अगर हम wildcard को यहाँ पे place कर दें, it means wherever 6 is coming, it should be shown. 6 last में आए, end में आए, mid में आए, it has to be shown on the screen. Okay, record must be shown using a 6. और अगर हम इसको यहाँ स्टैरिक कर दें, इसका मतलब है 6 should be at the end. And wait a second. Okay, if you put static before 6, it means before 6 whatever letter is coming you should show, record should be shown. Okay, so basically our requirement is first should be 6, then there any character is coming after 6 should be shown. So we will use this one criteria. Okay, here Rehan, is there any confusion on criteria of or wildcard?
No, sir. All clear. All clear.
Okay, Shmail, you are also clear? Yes,
Yes
Shmail.
sir.
Okay.
It's clear.
Now you can see the click on run command. There is some problem. See it again. 6 and step. Okay. Now you can see all record has been shown with the 6, and after 6 there is a letter. Now record number of record is 27. So all record has been filtered. So I am going to design view. Next we have to see what paper is saying. Okay, these we have done criteria till that we have done. Okay. Okay. Now it says sort the data into ascending order of teacher, name and descending order of size. तो ये भी हम जो है basically उसके ऊपर ही परफॉर्म कर लेंगे. ठीक है, sort the record. Okay, wait a second. Okay, go to query. What it says, sort the into ascending order of teacher name. Okay, teacher name, this is teacher name. See, this row is sort. Put here your cursor here. यहाँ पे आप ascending select descending order. Okay. Okay, then descending order of science. Okay, descending order of science. Where is science? This one is science. Okay, from here you can select descending. Okay, Rehan and Shmail, this point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, click on run. You can see sorting. Teacher
Yes
name.
sir.
Okay, teacher name has given the sorting order ascending. Ascending means lower to top. Okay, bottom to top, and descending means top to bottom. So you can see science is 99, and this is ascending order, and this is descending. Okay, we can go to design view. Now we have to do next one. Okay, now we have done this one. Okay, calculate the number of students and place this at the end of the report. Okay, this we will do on report. As the label new science group size fully visible to the left of this value. Okay, now we have to create a report, and rest of the task we will do on report. Okay, for report, okay, go to, okay, close this one, save it. You can give the name of query like STEM science. This one, copy from here, this text, go to and paste here, and this has been saved. Now this query has been displayed here, so you can run always from here. Okay. Okay, now you have to create a report. Go to create, click on report wizard. Report wizard. This option is report wizard. From here, you can select query. Okay, it is already selected. Click on all records must be shown. Okay. Then click on next. Don't do anything here. We have done all in the query. Just click on next. Click on next. Sorting we have done on at the end of query. Query design में sorting कर सकें. If you do sorting here, it will disturb your sequence of columns. Okay. Go to next. Here it is asking layout and orientation. So you can have a different layout like columnar, tabular, and just divide. So they have not given any instruction regarding layout, but they have given instruction of orientation. Okay, you can see as a label where it is said has a page orientation of landscape. So orientation must be landscape. From here you can click landscape. Okay, click on next. Here you have to give the name of report. Go to paper. Okay, copy this one. Okay, copy and put here. Place paste here. Okay, okay, report has been prepared. You can show on a wait a second. There is something wrong. Okay, wait. Okay, go to create options. We'll create it again. Report. Click on report wizard. Select query. Click on next. And click on next. Click on next. And click on next. Okay. Next. What it says, report must be landscape as a page orientation of it. We'll do it next. Okay. Portrait and paste here. Okay. Okay. It should be look like initially, then we will do it landscape. Okay. This is the layout. Print preview of the report. There are different view available, like you can see from layout view, design view, and print preview. So this is print preview option. Okay. Is this clear, Rehan and Shumail? Any confusion?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Then you have to click on report, select layout view. Here you have to basically arrange the columns of these columns, so data can be viewable. Okay. Like first family name is given. Select this one, and then press Control key. Click on here, and you can adjust like this. Gender column width is very larger, so you can reduce this one. First, select the heading, then click on press the Control key, then click on left mouse button on first value of gender, and then you can adjust. Okay, this takes a lot of time to arrange. Okay, now you have to see the sequence. First, your family name, gender, then teacher name. Okay. It must be displayed like. Select this one, select the heading, then press the Control key, click on first value of teacher name. So you can move like this. Okay. Okay. And you can reduce this. Okay. Second, fourth column must be science. Okay. So this is science. Click on heading, then press Control key, and then click on 99, and you can move this one, and you can do this one. So it is viewable because fields are merged when you create a report. You have to adjust. Okay, then teach science, then math should come. This is math. Click on math heading, press Control key, and click on 69. Okay, now relieve the control key. Your mouse should be double arrow. Extract from left side and then, okay, wait a second. So you can, I think this has space. We should move. Gender also can have a space. You can use the arrow key also from the keyboard. Okay. Okay. Teacher name. Can we move to leftward? Like this. You can use arrow keys also. Okay. Now click on size and click on 99, pressing control key. You can extract or you can move math field, math column, click on this one. Okay, like this and like this. Now this one, click on size and press control key, click on 61. This one, it needs more space. You can shrink size also. Okay. Math can be shrink. Okay. I think we can shrink this one, class board. And this takes a lot of time. You have to work on this. So you have to lot of things. All right, is clear? Have you understood the movement, how to do movement of column?
Yes, sir.
Just smile, is this clear?
जी sir.
Okay. Now wait a second. What we have to do next? So layout option has been done. Okay. So next part is we have to read from paper. It says calculate the number of students and places this at the end of the report. We have to do this one. This one. Okay. Calculate the number of students and place this at the end of report. Okay. We will move to report layout view. Okay, which column we have to select? So basically it says calculate the number of students. Okay, we can select any column. Like number of students, you can say family name or wait a second. Okay, we can select design technology. Okay, and click on first value, then right click. Should come. Just a second. click on this one. We have to select total. Total is disabled from here. Not enabling here. Okay. I'm moving to the design view. So where is the design technology? Click on here. Go to total and click on count record. This has come. Now go to print layout. Now you can see 727. You got the point?
Yes, sir.
Shumail, did you understand how to do total? Because it was asking calculate the number of students and places this at the end of report. So I selected, you can select any column, but I selected design technology. Okay. And I moved to, it can be done on layout view. If it is not done, you can go to design view. Okay. I select from here in detail section, design technology, and then you can go here and you click on count record. Okay. Or you can right click on design technology and you can go from here, count record. So it shows count record. So this task has been done. And then says fits on a single page as a pleasure in a landscape. Okay. One thing is more as a label new science group size. Okay. This heading should be shown on the report. Copy this one. Okay. From here you have to place label. This label. Place here. Paste this one. Just extract this one. Okay. Now you can see from print layout. Print. Okay. You have to adjust. Go to design view. So and then move. You can see. Okay. Just we have to. It's okay. It's fine. Is this clear, Rehan? How to place a label?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next one, include the data stamp we have. Okay. We have to show this title. I think it is displayed on report. Okay. This one. This is already on there. Next, we have to do display your name, center number, and can number in the footer. So it is appear in the same position. On every page, make sure no other data is displayed on the footer. Okay. We'll go to report, design view. This is footer. You can remove this one, select this one, press delete key, select this one, press delete key, go to label. This is label. Drag and drop here. Write your name like I'm writing my name, Aziz. Center number 1, 2, 3, 4. Candidate number 7. Whatever candidate number you must have given by CI. Now you can see preview. Preview. This one. It is viewable. Shumail, is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
Rehan?
Yes, sir.
Oh, good. Now we have to do next one. Place in evidence document a screenshot showing the database formula used to calculate the number of students. This, okay. We have to do on design view. Select the report, click on design view. This thing you have to place on screenshot. So I'm taking print screen. Click on paint or paper. Place here. Okay. You can select this area. Only this one you have to show up. Okay, we assume this is an evidence document. Okay. You would be provided evidence document. Okay. Whatever evidence like 22. paste here. Again. Okay, you got this point, everybody?
Sir, how do you know you do not have to paste the entire table or the entire report?
No, it is written on basically. Wait a second. Yeah, read this point. Place in your evidence document a screenshot of showing the database formula used to calculate the number of students.
Oh, okay.
This one given here. Should I do it again or it is clear?
No, sir, it is clear.
Smile. This point is clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now I am moving to task number 23. Using field from all table, produce a tabular report. It is asking another report from you. Okay. Select only the report where these criteria are performing. And you know that before creating a report, you have to create a query. Okay. So close this one. Save. Move to create. Go to query design. Okay. Click on all tables because it is asking create a query from all tables. Okay. Should we look like this one? Okay. Which field we have to choose? Gender first, family name. Gender from here. This one. Double click on gender, family name. Then we have house name, maths. House name from here. Math. Here is math here. Okay. 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 Computer science and teacher name. Computer science from here. Teacher name will come here. Next one is all have done. Okay. In this order with data and displayed in. Okay. Now we have to put criteria. First we have to see how many records are there. So 170. Sumail, how many records are you can view? How many records are there before putting criteria?
What, sir?
How many records are there? Can you tell me?
How many records, sir? 176.
Okay. So these are records which are before the criteria. Criteria
Yes, sir.
filter the record. Okay, we'll do on design phase. Okay. The class code is 5C. You have to put 5C. Okay. There. One second. Okay. Okay. This criteria will put on class code. Where is class code? Okay. Class code is not given here. We have to include from here class code. Write 5C. Okay. Then C record number of records. Rehan, how many records are shown after this criteria?
22.
Good. So it means it is working. Okay. Now we have to see next one. Mars. House name should be Mars. Okay. House name. This is house name. Mars. Copy from there. You can copy or type. Better copy. Mars and place here. So you can see here. Shumail, how many record now?
9, sir.
9. So it has been so both criteria are working. Okay. Okay. So it has been 9. Then we have to do sorting. Sort the data into ascending order of gender and ascending order of family. So according to this, we have to do go to table database, go to its design view. So what it says, ascending order of gender. Where is gender? This one. Put gender and ascending order of family name. Okay. Family name. To check. So S come first. Ascending means bottom to up. Okay. So both sorting is working. Is this clear? This point is clear? Yes, both of you. This point is clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Good. Now we have to create report. We will do same steps. Okay, close this one. Okay, you have to give name here. Name can be average math year 5, 4th March. Copy this one. Place here. Arrow. Okay. Now we have to create report. Go to create. Click on the report wizard. Select query from here. Year 5. Select all record. Next. 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 Do nothing here. Okay. Next. Next. And finish. Okay. So report has been created. We have to see what we have to do next. Okay. This has been done. Now it says has a page under portrait. Sort the data if it's a single page. Okay. This one we have to do. Calculate the average math mark in this selection and position this number below the math column. Okay. Go to report. Okay. You can try on layout view, otherwise we'll do that. Math mark. So what it says, what we have to do, average. Average math mark. Okay. Okay. First we have to arrange. Okay. Math was not clear. Select the last value and where is given position. Okay. Go to design view. Here, select math field and design. From here, you can select average. That has been clicked. This point is clear? Rehan and Shumail, how to do average?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now next, what we have to do, include the label average math score. Okay. We have to include this one. Copy from here. Go to design view. This is label. Place here and paste that data. I think it is viewable. We can see from print preview. So almost it is viewable. You can adjust. Go to design view. That has been adjusted. What I have to do next? What? As your name center. Okay. Again, we have to place here. Delete this one and delete this one. Place label here and write your name here, comma 1 2 1 2 3 4 center number double line is your candidate number. So you can view from here print preview. I think it's better. So this point is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now you have to export the report. Almost all tasks have been done. Okay, what we have to do next? Papers on paper. Acha, place and your evidence document a screenshot showing the database formula used to calculate the average marks for. Okay, we have to do this one. Go to design view. This formula should be shown on evidence document. You can take print screen. You can extract from here. Control X. Go here, evidence document. Okay, you can write. So you will be provided evidence document. Okay, you don't need to create. I just created for you for your learning. You can adjust this one so it is viewable. This part is clear?
Yes, sir.
Good. Then save and print your report. So if you want to print, close this one, save this one, open in print preview, and then you can. This is viewable. Okay, it should be in a basically port landscape. You can click on here. Okay, this is landscape, and you can click on print. Okay, when you were giving a paper, you would be giving a paper at the time, so you can do print task.
Sir.
Okay.
The question paper says to give the average in 0 decimal places.
Where is data? Somewhere written, I think. Okay, this one. Display the average marks with the. Okay, you can do it on property. Okay, go on design view. Wait a second. From here, caption. Here is auto. Okay. From screen. You got it?
Yes, sir.
Should be. Okay. First, select this one. Right click on properties. Click on properties. Go to decimal places. Select place 0 and format. Make it fixed. Okay. So it will be this one. Okay. Both of you got it? This one? Got this one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. When you do task, highlight. Okay, the task you can do. Okay. So we are closing. Next, it is saying that you have to publish. You can close all report. Next, it says export the report created at step 23 in portable document format PDF, save the export file in your work area with the file name year 5. Okay. So we have to export. Select this one, export PDF or XPS. Click on here. You have to find your work area. Okay, like I'm going to GT. So whatever work area like March 23. Here you can save. Okay, and you have to give the name of file given year 5. So like here and click on publish. Okay, this has been converted to PDF format. Close it. Paper. It has to be a PDF, so it is displaying on Edge. Place an evidence document and screenshot to show the exported file saved in your work area. Make sure that there is evidence of the file name and file type. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. From here, you have to show basically screenshot of the work area where you have to say file name and PDF document. Where it says, place an evidence document, a screenshot to show the exported file saved in your work area. This is in my work area. Okay. This is, and make sure there is evidence of the name and the file type. This is file name and this is file type. This point is clear. You can take screenshot, print, and place here. यहाँ से cut कर ले. You have to show this one, kind of that, based on evidence, whatever evidence given. This is the place path, and this is the file name, and this is the type of file. Is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
Smile. This point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So should I send you source file on group account?
Yes, sir.
Source
भेज
file
दो.
and paper. I will send you source file
Yes, sir.
for this paper, and also you can do. I will send a paper and source file both. Okay. So Ryan, you can access. Should I include your number on group
Yes,
account?
sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Wait a second. Should I? One minute. Okay. Now 10 minutes left. Should I start paper 1 from where we have left theory?
जी sir.
Okay. Wait a second. So these things we have already discussed now. So last time we were doing systems of. Do you remember this slide? Shumail and Rehan. Do you remember last slide?
No, sir.
Okay. Last time we were doing this one.
Okay, sir.
I think this was the last slide. Okay. Do you understand this one? Can you go through, then tell me if there is any confusion on this? Last time हमने discuss किया था basically regarding system software, application software, and some component of the computer. One of the component of computer is CPU, and here basically this slide tell us how many memory is accessed. So application are stored in the secondary storage, hard disk, hard drive. Temporary data from application in use are held in the main memory. Okay. Whenever we write a data from using any application, that data goes into RAM. Remember, the CPU will first check the cache for the required piece of the data so that it can be processed. Do you remember cache, Rehan?
Yes, sir.
Where it exists?
It exists in the CPU. Basically, the computer first checks the cache. If it doesn't find anything, then it goes to the RAM, and then the RAM transfers the data back to the cache so that the computer memory can check it. It's way faster than the RAM.
Good. Rehan, Shamal, you understood? Basically, placement of cache is like that.
Yes, sir.
We can assume this is cache. Cache is also kind of RAM. Okay. There are two types of RAM. One is DRAM, one is SRAM. यानी RAM की दो categories होती हैं. One is DRAM, dynamic RAM, and second is SRAM, static RAM. Cache basically is a SRAM. Now this is, we think that CPU first looks for instruction in cache. Okay, you can think of that like this. Then it looks into RAM. This is RAM. Okay, so CPU can access directly RAM. Okay, this is the sequence how to access. Then there is a secondary storage device, what is hard disk. So RAM can communicate with the hard disk, and hard disk can communicate with the RAM. So it's it. The CPU will first check the cache. So CPU will come here, first check the cache for the required piece of data so that it can be processed. If the data is not in the cache, then CPU will check the RAM and transfer data to it. So you can access the RAM. Okay. The cache will then transfer the next piece of data from the RAM into cache. Even from RAM, data can go to cache. Okay. This one like that. The CPU will again check the cache for the next piece of data. This time the CPU will be able to get the data from the cache. Okay. So if instruction has been transferred from RAM to cache, so CPU can access that instruction from this cache. Now remember, cache is more faster than RAM. Cache is faster than RAM. 10 times faster than RAM. Okay. But RAM cache memory is lower than RAM. Okay. Cache can be 8 MB or 16 MB. Okay. RAM can be basically, RAM space can have 4 GB, 8 GB, 16 GB or 12 GB, different kind of space available on RAM. The RAM is larger than cache, okay, but slower than cache. So cache is not overburdened. RAM is always overburdened by the application and system software. Some space is occupied by OS when you run your system. This space occupied by OS. Rest space occupied by application. Whatever application you open, your RAM will get full. This point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Shumail, is there any confusion?
No, sir. Clear.
Okay, good. So I think you understood the sequence of getting instruction in the system. Okay.
Yes, sir, I did.
Good. So moving to next slide. Now here you can see the sequence already I told you. CPU get instruction from cache. CPU get instruction from cache. Cache get instruction from RAM. And hard disk provide additional data to RAM. Hard disks have different applications. These applications always open into RAM. Whenever you click on any application, data from application are held in the main memory when they are being used. So जब हम typing करते हैं, we type any kind of data like MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, browser. This data goes into RAM because all applications are open to RAM. This could be one application, second application, third application, fourth application, and this might be OS. OS also takes the space into RAM. Okay, so our RAM is always overburdened. It never be sufficient. यानी RAM कभी भी पूरी नहीं पड़ेगी, चाहे 4 GB हो, 8 GB हो, 16 GB हो, 32 GB हो. It is always insufficient because of our application. We are opening in the RAM. Because applications are upgraded day by day and they take more space. Like अभी office का version personally 23 चल रहा है. It is larger than 21 and 21 is larger than 19. 19 is larger than 16. So, whenever office upgraded, it takes more space when it open in the RAM. Like if you open graphics software, if there is new version is coming, that new version more heavy than the last version. So that is why we have to upgrade our hardware. Got my point? Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this picture is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now this description written here regarding cache, you can go through. Cache is the fastest type of memory. Already I told you it is located between processor and RAM. Remember, cache always between. It is placed between processor and RAM. So cache collect data from the RAM or hold on to commonly used data. So it basically hold most commonly instruction. The cache will automatically transfer the next set of data from the RAM into the cache so that it can be processed by the CPU. Because processor checks first from cache, then check from the RAM. This point is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will send you some questions so that you can solve during the week, and I will send you paper on practical. So you should perform March 23 paper, which we have done in 2 days, and you can also see video. Okay. Now this is the description of this is the description of RAM. RAM I already told you. Normally it is called DRAM. Okay. Cache is called SRAM. Remember, cache is called SRAM. So this is basically SRAM, static RAM. Okay. And RAM always called DRAM. Okay. Dynamic RAM. We also call it DRAM. Its technical name is DRAM. Okay. So RAM is the part of the computer that temporarily stores the instruction that the computer is running while the data is being processed by the CPU. So whenever CPU required instruction, it picks from cache or RAM. So it hold data until it hold data before processing and it hold data after processing. And nature is volatile, which means that when the computer is turned off, all data is lost. So RAM could not hold data if there is no power supply. It means that is why we call it volatile. Okay, remember, volatile means it will lose its content when there is no power supply. So whenever you shut down your computer or laptop, there will be no data into RAM. So RAM totally clears if there is no power. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
So I think enough for today. So inshallah, from here we will continue. So I will try in next class. This chapter 1 should be completed, and so that we can move to next chapter. And also I will discuss papers of this chapter. Okay, chapter which have come from this chapter. Whatever question have come in examination, so I will cover those papers from the chapter 1. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So enough for today.
Okay, sir.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.